resubstantiate some of our claims and restate our position on everything. So, animal testing is often thought of as inhumane towards animals, and that's one of the main arguments. But I'd like to restate that the bad cases are often exaggerated, and so it shouldn't be based off of those. I have a quote from the Guidelines for Ethical Conduct of animal testing, and it says, laboratory animals are to be provided with humane care and healthful conditions during their stay in any facilities of the institution. Responsibilities for the conditions under which animals are kept, both within and outside the context of active experimentation or teaching, rests with the psychologist under supervision of the IACUC, where required by federal regulations, and with the individuals appointed by the institution to oversee laboratory animal care. I would also like to say that procedures often take into consideration the discomfort of animals only when it is absolutely necessary. For instance, when there's no other way to do the research, there's no other way to figure out, well, an animal will be allowed to feel any discomfort, and usually it is minimal. And I'll also like to say that, when for humans, it's like sometimes humans can be greater than animals if it can save a lot of human lives. And then I would also like to go back to the AWA and how it is being enforced and it is effective. Penalties have actually gotten stronger. From the APHIS website, it says, in accordance with the OIG's recommendation, APHIS has also increased the average pay monetary stipulation from $3,000 to $10,000. These activities illustrate APHIS's commitment to moving more swiftly, consistently, and effectively in responding to animal welfare violations. I'd also like to point out that high priority cases are emphasized and constantly checked on, so they're not going under the radar. And then lastly, I want to re-say that it is effective, and you've seen that with the polio and all the vaccines and the cancer research that is being done with animals that have led to a lot of breakthroughs. And then I'll give you, okay, so from protest.org, according to the U.S.-based Foundation for Biomedical Research, animal research has played a vital role in virtually every major medical advance of the last century, both human and veterinary health. From antibiotics to blood transfusions, from dialysis to organ transplantation, from vaccines to chemotherapy, bypass surgery to joint replacement, practically every present-day protocol for the prevention, treatment, cure and control of disease, pain, and suffering is based on knowledge obtained through research with lab animals. And I would also like to talk about how if animal testing is abolished, we'll be taking a major step back in medical discoveries and treatment, and we risk losing a lot of research that could go to helping humans later on. Abolishing it will only put us behind in research, and that could possibly save many human lives. So, just based on that, I hope that you can see how abolishing animal research is not the answer.